Hello friends, in this video we will quickly learn how to install Python on Windows operating system. So let me go to the Python official download page, and here you can see that we can find the download tabs for window, like download the latest version for window. The latest version till the date is 3.6.1. so either you can click on this button to get the latest installable for Python, or you can come down, and here you can see you can find the various releases of Python, and so you can download the various releases of Python. So you have to click on this download link corresponding to the release you want to download. So from here we will download the latest version, and if we are redirected to this page, if we will come down, we will see one more table which is like describing the operating system. So for Windows we are having Windows 64 executable installer for the Windows 64-bit operating system. So we will click on this and it will download the installable file on our system. So once it is downloaded, we will just install the Python as any other software. We will just double click on this installable file and we will run it. And here you can see that there are two options: install now and customize the installation. We will customize the installation, and here you can see the various softwares coming with Python pip tc /tk python test tool. We will click just next, and here friends, click on this first checkbox, install for all users, and now you can see the customized installation location, which is program files python 36. And you can even reduce this installation. Basically it is recommended to install Python directly in the drive instead of putting in the program file. So I will do the same. So I will put directly my Python installation folder in the C drive, and then I will click install. So now friends, just click yes. So now friends, this will take some time, so let me come back when this is over. So friends, this is the window which will appear after that progress bar gets finishes. So setup was successful, so we will just click close. So now the Python is installed in this machine. Now friends, to make it accessible in this machine, we need to set the environment variable. So for that, for setting environment variables, we will click on this computers. We will right click on this computers. We will go to properties and advanced system settings, environment variables, and then we will add a new environment variables name as py underscore home, and the value to this will be, if you will go to your C drive, you will find a Python 36 folder over there. You will just click, you will just copy this path, provide this path over here as a value, and then click semicolon, and then another path will be, go to the scripts and just copy this path too, and after semicolon paste this path also. So now you just copy this variable name, as we have to put it in path environment variable. Now just click OK, and now go to the path environment variable and click edit, and go to the home, basically to the beginning of this value, and just click, enter percent control V, which is py underscore home percent semicolon. Now click OK. OK, and then again OK. Now open a new command prompt, cmd, and check whether Python is installed or not. So we will just type python and we will click enter. So now friends, you can see that Python 3.6.1 we are able to see. So Python is installed in this machine successfully, and this has, so this is basically a command line tool, Python command line tool, which is called as REPL. So friends, this is all about this video. We have seen the installation. We will see further things in upcoming next videos.